I love cheesecake and I love chocolate, so it was high time to make a death by chocolate cheesecake. But in mini, because otherwise I won't be able to stop myself from eating the whole thing. Here we go! For the crust, we'll be needing flour, some room temperature butter, a bit of sugar, 1 egg, and of course some cacao. You'll need to knead this until you get a firm dough and set that aside. For the filling, we need 2 eggs, lots of sugar, and mix those two together until the sugar dissolves. Then comes in the heavy cream to make this real silky, and of course the cacao. Give it a quick mix with a whisk, and then comes in the cream cheese. Mix that until it is all smooth. I'm calling this a death by chocolate, so more chocolate is totally needed. Add some molten dark chocolate and give it another good stir until it is all mixed well. Now dress up our muffin tins and add a chunk of the crust to the bottom. Don't make it too thick, but not too thin either. About 1 centimeter or half of an inch should be okay, I suppose. Once that's done, fill those cups up close to the brim. As these won't be rising much, we have no problem of spilling over or such. I always find it easier to portion filling or dough with a piping bag. It's just more efficient and less messy than any other spoon or whatever. These look like turds. Now bake these little devils at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes and let them cool off. To make these extra, you can and totally should add some ganache to top this all off. It is so damn creamy and chocolatey, it's just a pain to watch it here on screen and not to eat it right now. Oh yeah, chocolate sprinkles work really good too. One last very important note though, do not eat these right away. Let them rest at least overnight. The taste really improves with time and I think they taste the best when they have rested at least 24 hours. If you enjoyed this week's video, make sure to drop a like and tell us which kind of chocolate you like the best in the comments below. I'm a dark chocolate girl, that's for sure. Thank you for watching till the end and subscribe if you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Have a delicious weekend and see you next Friday.